After being in storage for the last 18 months, the front of this caravan is starting to look a little bit grubby with a lot of lichen build up on the front. So I'm going to grab one of our lichen sponges, gently agitate the surface whilst I'm washing the van to remove all the lichen safely and gently from the surface. Simply rinse and then repeat if required.